Triangle has sides that measure 4 units, 6 units, and 7.21 units. What is the area of a circle with a circumference that equals the perimeter of the triangle? So first need to calculate the perimeter of the triangle. 4, 6, and 7.21. So go ahead and add those together for us and let me know what you come up with.
I got 17.21.
Okay. So what they're saying is that the area of a circle has a circumference that equals the perimeter of the triangle. So the circumference is 2 pi r, and that equals 17.21. Sorry, 21, like that. So this is 2 times 3.14 times r equals 17.21.
Got it.
You have to solve that for r, please.
All right.
What did you get for r there?
One second, I'm still.
Okay, take your time.
So that'd be 2 times 3.14 times r.
So you got to multiply 2 times 3.14 and then divide.
Then divide both sides by the it's 6.28. Those two multiplied by each other. Actually, no. If you use 3.14, right? 2 times 3.14. Yep, 6.28. And then you divide what both sides by that. 17.2 divided by I okay, let's see. Round to the nearest whole number. Rounded to the nearest whole number, I got 3.
Okay. Well, no. That's the what did you get for the radius? Don't round the radius.
Then that would be 2.74.
Okay. Now to find the area of the circle, you're going to use pi r squared. Pi times 2.74 squared. And this is the result that you're going to round to the nearest whole number.
It is then 3.14 times 2.7 squared. Um, 2.7. All right, so that would be 24 round to the nearest. Yeah, I got 24.
Okay, so there's your answer.
24 units square, right? Perfect. All right. So give me 1 second. Let me flip over to. So I'm actually going to flip over to the writing portion.
Okay.
Okay, here's number one of the writing portion.
All right, so pyramid A is a square pyramid with a base side length of 12 and height of 8. Let's draw that. Okay, base side length of 12, height of 8. Okay, and pyramid, this is A. Pyramid B has a volume of 3,456 inches cubed. How many times bigger is the volume of pyramid B than pyramid A? Give your answer as a percentage. Provide an explanation and proof for your answer to receive the correct. Okay. Do you include the drawings or not?
I don't think so. I think it would just prove like
Okay,
asking
so
for a proof and the explanation.
so you've got to put together some words that describe the drawing on the left here, and then you have to do in words here that the volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height, 1/3 12 times 12 times 8. So you got to kind of put the part into words. Why don't you do that and drop it in the chat, and then we'll talk here. How are you doing on this one?
Uh, good. One thing is that I found the volume for the pyramid A.
There, what did you get?
I got 384.
384 inches cubed. And so we're trying to figure out how much bigger is pyramid B. So you have
So
to,
what? Yeah, so what I tried was dividing 3,456 by 384, but I got
yes.
9 done.
You're right. So you're gonna get nine, and so it's gonna be a pretty big number. It's gonna be in the what's your number? 9 point,
Just 9.
just exactly nine. Okay. So that when you convert to a decimal is or percent is 900%.
Yeah, I got it. Cause I was kind of confused how it turn how it find the percentage for that from got it, yeah. That makes a lot more sense. So 200, so the volume of pyramid A or the volume of pyramid B is 900% bigger
Right.
than the volume of pyramid A. So then let's find the volume. Alright, I think I got it. I'm gonna put it in the chat.
Okay,
Also, one second, I'm gonna quickly step out to go grab my charger.
sure.
Alright, MPAC.
All right, so first you find the volume per A, which is 24 inches cubed. You didn't say how you found it though. That's the problem. Is you got to give the formula for it. You got to say
Yeah.
volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height, and then you might even put the numbers in. 12 times 12 times 8, which is 384 inches cubed. Okay, divide, which is 300, that would result in 9, which percent 9%. Yeah, that's good. Excellent. Okay, so I think that is enough for the next one here.
Do you mind scrolling down a little bit?
Say that again.
Do you mind scrolling down a little bit? So,
Yeah, sorry.
uh, all right. Let me. Oh wait. It says an explanation and a proof. So would.
I think it says as proof, not, I don't think it means and proof. There's no, and the proof just means you can't just give the answer.
Oh, like that. I thought they meant like the proof that we did in the first. Yeah, all right, yeah, that makes sense. Let me quickly type this in. One second, I'm just fixing some flyers. There we go. Now, okay, so let me put the second one in the chat. All right, and here's two in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, I think for all of these, it's just explaining. It's kind of just like an explanation that they're looking for.
Right. Got it. Right. Ellis is painting a wooden fence post before putting them around his yard. There's each 7 feet tall and have a diameter of 1 foot. There are 11 fence posts in all. How much paint will Ellis need to paint all the surfaces of the 11 Fence posts, use 3.14 for pi and round your answer to nearest hundredth. Explanation and proof for your answer to receive full credit. All right, so how much paint will he need? So they're 7 feet tall. Have a diameter of 1 foot. Huh. I mean, a fence post. I guess they're round fence posts. 7 feet tall and a diameter of 1 foot. There are 11 fence posts in all. Okay, how much paint will you paint the surface of all the 11 fence posts? So I guess we need to find the surface area of one fence post. And the surface area of one fence post is 2 pi r squared, so that's the top and the bottom, plus 2 pi r h, like that.
And then it's saying the diameter is 1 foot, so like,
So we're gonna use radius is 0.5.
yeah.
So
And the
it's
height is
2 times 3.14 times 0.5 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 0.5 times 7.
mm, all right, I got 23.55, and that would be feet cubed.
It's feet squared, it's areas.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, and then you multiply that number by 11 because you have 11 of them.
And that gives you 259.05.
Say that one more time, 259.05.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so that's the answer. So you've gotta put something together now that assumes all this.
All right. Let's see. Alright. I put what I wrote in the chat.
Okay. Let's take a look here. So we're missing for the formula, it's 2 pi RH.
No, I think I
Multiply.
put 2 pi r h in there.
It didn't, maybe it didn't copy. That's maybe the issue.
Uh, yeah, maybe. Oh, I might have accidentally deleted it when I sent it. Yeah. I think I might have accidentally deleted it. I added it in there, but I think I might have accidentally deleted it. But yeah, I see reading in there, yeah. Oh, here, let me just copy. You. All right. All right. So yeah, this is the most updated one. It's in the chat. Yes, I fixed that. Yeah, so now it should be.
Let me just take a look here. Again. Serve 11. There we go. I mean, that's it. That's perfect.
One second. All right. So the next one in the chat. All right, here's number 3 in the chat now.
All right, let's take a look here. Okay, so which of these countries has the greatest population density, which has the least? The density is defined as population per unit area. So you're basically just taking that first number and dividing it by the second.
Yes. Let's see. So for the US, it would be made by 9,364,520. I got for the US it'd be 29
Okay.
or 29 point like 115. Um and then for Romania it's 22,609,000 divided by 237,391. For Romania, I got 95.239. All right, so I got that down. And Ghana is 18,339,000 divided by 237,000. 3. All right, so now I got the population density for all three. US is 29.115. Romania is 95.239, and then Ghana is 77.206. So which of these countries have the greatest population density? Which has the least? So the greatest would be the greatest would be the Romania,
Right.
and the least would be Ghana. And then you need to provide that explanation. So let me write it up in the chat.
We are gonna run out. We're gonna run out of time here. Do you have any other questions for me or?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, one second. And then let me just. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, find. Yeah, probably around the time I finish this, but I think I kind of get it because all I have to do is kind of explain how you got like each of the
Yeah, exactly. You just have to
densities, but
explain.
then you just have to kind of see like say oh this one's like the greatest because it's greater than the other two
Right.
densities, and then the other one's the least because it's lower than the other two densities.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly. So, yeah.
yeah. I think I kind of get the hang of like the writing questions now. I think I kind of struggled with that at first, but I think now I kind of got the least to like write it in the way that they're kind of looking for. So it shouldn't be that hard to complete this part two.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to go ahead and stop here. So I'm going to end the